Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel Stock Buddha. Those who are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and like the channel and grab your free stocks by Webull. You can claim up to $1,400 if you're lucky. And those who are existing subscribers, thank you so much. Do me a favor by sharing it to your friends and family so that we can grow together as a family. Guys, this week as predicted was we did see some red days and we did see a shake in the portfolio that was well predicted, and we might see it further for a few days in coming weeks, but we are not going to worry about it because every dip we buy, you know that, and that's how we buy low and then sell at upper end. So guys, without doing further delay, let's go and look at the portfolio, how we are doing. So this is the portfolio, but guys, before I start on the portfolio, I got many suggestions from you guys on my WhatsApp and Discord groups. So what they want is like they had like a lot of tickers to play, and then obviously I cannot go ahead and come up with all the tickers in such a short video in every week, right? So what we are thinking is like, okay, why don't you guys comment in the comment section and tell me what all stocks you want to play, and then as a family consensus I will actually go ahead and pick one or maximum two of the stocks, and then we can play options on those. So if you want me to analyze the stocks you want to play, go ahead and put in the comment box. Let's see if we can finalize on one or two of the stocks in the upcoming videos. So that is it, and then let's go ahead and look at the portfolio. So portfolio here, if you see this week for the last 5 days we were pretty down here around we went below $7,000, and then we again rose back to 7.2, guys. So that is what I wanted to show you here, because like our plays are not the plays like you can just lose the money quickly. We have a well settled positions, we have the stocks which actually do not break the support points, and then most of them are actually at the buy zones. So that will be the discussion here today, guys, and then I'll come up with one more ticker which we would like to add to our portfolio. So let's start with golden nuggets first. So if you see here, golden nuggets, we are actually losing a lot here, like $131 we are down in the stocks in the golden nuggets, right? So now we will go and see what exactly is going in the golden nuggets and what does that mean. So if you see here in the golden nuggets, so during the Super Bowl, even the website of golden nuggets crashed, if you know about it, like in the online betting and things. So they did a phenomenal job, they made a good sales, and still it is going down. So guys, that does not mean that company is not performing. That means that there are hedge funds who are playing around it, they are sorting it out, there will be a squeeze or something. But we are golden, we are sitting at the good positions. If you want to add at the dollar cost basis, you can go ahead and add it also, there is no problem, because in the long run this company is very good. So I'll go through a few news articles for you quickly. So if you see the online, we saw in the casino.org, the online casino company estimates 2020 operating income will be 23 to 24 million dollars, or basically it will 28 to 29 million dollars, excluding the 4 or 5 million dollars of the cost during the merger with the LCA which we had like last month. Now stripping off that, what it says is like they are approximately 62% from 2019 growth. Now they are growing this year, and this is going to continue growing because they got a strong start in Michigan, they started in New Jersey. There are the two states they started, and then we have 49 more. The applications are in there. If you see here in this, I was going through the gap analysis, and I can clearly see that from 2019 to 2020 the gap analysis, we have increased like $14 million here. So there is a good start. I went to the site of golden nuggets and see, okay, I know it's going to Michigan. It started in New Jersey with the casino, online casino, and online betting as well, and then more states are coming soon. So guys, what I'm trying to say, this is a long-term play, real good play where you can actually make some money. You have to be an investor in this. So as soon as more and more states come, the revenues go top the roof, and then you can see the share prices going really high. So this is like a complete gift, a complete buy zone where this golden nugget should be brought. If you don't have, if you are new one into this play, obviously this is the perfect time where you can get in below 18s as well. So guys, go ahead and do that. And another buy zone is APXT. APXT is not actually breaking its support of 14, but I am not going to discuss APXT here. I am going to make a separate video on APXT about its rumors, what is going on in the investigation and all that stuff, so that you have the clarity of thought. So I'll leave that APX deal for later video in the mid of the week probably. And this is about golden nuggets. Now let's go back and see. Okay, so the new play which I am trying to bring is American Airlines, guys. Now if you see why American Airlines, so we'll go ahead and quickly see what American Airlines has been doing. If you see here in the charts, the American Airlines recently touched a high of 2177 here, and then it's back to 17. Guys, this has a phenomenal run up here, and this is something which you're gonna see again and again going forward, because this is a recovery play. And if you see here in the analyst ratings, for example, it's really an underperforming asset right now. So guys, what does that mean when something is underperforming? Like 2 months ago, JP Morgan was underperformer, and so many financials like Bank of America were underperformer. What happened? They actually rose back to the standards and came up with the game. So now, what is positive about American Airlines? If you go and try to search a bit, you will try to know like what exactly American Airlines is up to. First thing is like with the vaccines and the air travels will be going again back to normal. They will be doing a good business. Now again, American Airlines is considering a return of the debt to the market as soon as the next month. So that's a strong statement, guys. If they are able to pay back the debt, that means the debt ratio would be very good in the market. The investors will jump in. As far as I see American Airlines going forward is around $30, and that is what we will be targeting and playing around it. Now with American Airlines, guys, because we have a shorter portfolio here, I would actually go with an option play. And again, when option is a bit risky if you're not able to manage it, but still I'm trying to mitigate the thing by making it a leap, so that you have the time, ample time for American Airlines to grow and come to that stage. But again, if I will start with one, and if it goes down, we will just add it another to average it down. So that is how we will be doing. So which one we are going to choose is, we are going to choose American Airlines 21st January 2022. That's a leap of $25 a call. That's the strike price. So the net cost, which will be something around 255 or 252, or even less if on Tuesday if you get. So what we are trying to say is like if around May or something, if we are able to go around 30 or 32, we actually quadruple our investment. And that is what we are looking. We are trying to invest $250 and get out $1,000 from it. Now that looks too good, but that is doable. Again, we have to be consistent, and because we have timeline till next year, even if something is not, it takes 30 or 31 to get to next year, still we make a decent amount of money, like more than double of the invested amount. So basically tripling the money or something like that. So I think we should be, that's a good play and that's a good call for us. So how you are going to do that is basically you go to an options, and then you have to, choose 21st January 2022 here, select that 25 call, and then you can just place the order with the details here. So here you have to put your, like, if you want to say, okay, I think it can go to 2.4, you will just say 2.4, and then you can execute and place the order. So that is how you are going to do for American Airlines, guys. The last play which I am saying is like the FCEL. So guys, congratulations who held up FCEL from right from 11 to $30, almost 29 something dollars which we reached. And what did we do, guys? Our target was around $30. And when I say first we had like $20, people reached to $20, and then few people took profit, people did not. And I said that's okay, because FCEL is going to, fuel cell is going to run up to 30 and more. But now we have a point where we reach 30. What should you have done? You should have booked the profits, guys. So did you book the profits or not? Let me know in the comments. If not, then you should be consider it doing another when it reaches 30. So now what I'm trying to show here is like, when it reaches 30, you have to actually go ahead and get the things done, book your profits, and when it comes down, like it came to 25 or something, you can again write back in the same play and go up. So what I did right now here, if you see, I am in FCEL. I took an FCEL play quickly. In the positions, we'll go and say, okay, FCEL, here we are in like loss of $60 because I took a call of 35 in 19th of May. You can go ahead and do a take out of call. I'm pretty sure like it will go beyond this. So right now, if the target price, like call price, is 2.15, it is a good call. But again, March is quite small for a new buy in option plays, so you manage it accordingly. So guys, our word of the day is rinse and repeat. So guys, what does rinse and repeat means is, I'll give you an example which we have done like for Macy's, we have done for fuel cell. So our recent example is fuel cell, where I said like it went to 29 point and a half, and then it reached back to 25. So guys, when we have a target set in our minds, like it's like we're just going to 30 and 30ish, so when we are reaching the target, be diligent to take the profits. And in case if it goes up, with we will ride with the rest of the shares. If it does not and comes back to that like position with like 25 or so, we'll actually grabbing more shares and then again ride back to 30, because we know it's going to back to 30. So that is called rinse and repeat. The same play, you are going to earn twice or thrice the money. So guys, this is very important in trading. Don't get greedy and don't sit down like it's going to 40 and I'll wait more and more. You have to be diligent with your targets. When you get in, when you get out, you have to do and decide that with your due diligence, right? So guys, that's all for rinse and repeat. If you have any questions regarding it, shoot the question in the comment box. If you have any clarification needed on that topic, let me know. So guys, next video I'll be coming with APXT, what's going around with it, and few other plays. So till then, keep investing, keep trading, and keep rocking.